Welcome to Cityview. This is elevated living just a block off the Commons. We're here today to see apartment 1T. This is a large 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment located on the first floor of the building. Let's go on inside. On your left is your living room with 7 pieces of furniture, a dining room table and 2 dining chairs, an end table, an easy chair, a coffee table, and a sofa. Across from the living room is your kitchen with your microwave, dishwasher, electric oven and range, and refrigerator. On into bedroom 1, you'll have 5 pieces of furniture, a bookshelf, a desk and desk chair, a dresser, and a full-size bed. One unique feature of this building is the nice high ceilings, tall windows that let in a lot of natural light in this west and north-facing corner apartment. Each room has plenty of closet space. On into bedroom 2, you'll have the same 5 pieces, a desk and a desk chair, a dresser, a bookshelf, and a full-size bed. Here's the second closet. Each room is air conditioned and has a heating element. Another unique feature of this building is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends in. Finishing up in the bathroom, it's a nice large bathroom with a full shower and tub combo and vanity with medicine cabinet. Rent here in Cityview includes heat, hot water, trash and recycling. You're responsible for electricity. High-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour today of apartment 1T. Call us today for availability.